Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device, and I believe we can do that by holding power button only. Oh, never mind. So power button, volume up. There we go. Couple tries till I figured it out. Power button, volume up gets us the boot options, and here we're just going to swipe up to turn off our device. Give it a couple seconds once it turns off, and from there we're again going to hold the same buttons, power and volume up. And when you see the Mi logo on a screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, the display will not work. I mean, the touch portion of it at least. And to navigate to the options, you will need to use the volume buttons, either up or down, depending if you want to navigate up or down. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, let's kind of go over the options. So reboot will take us back to Android. Wipe data consists of only factory reset. Okay, no, there's actually a couple more options. So we have wipe all data, reset some settings, and reset all settings. Now I'm kind of curious what's under here. So network configuration, themes and fonts, app permissions, and system core components. So I'm just going to select cancel right here. Next we have connect with Mi Assistant. That's a PC kind of application that I can download. And then reset or restore system. Anyway, I'm going to stick with the first one and confirm it. And I'm going to select reboot to system, so just confirm it once more. And this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.